Today on Engineering Newswire, we're firing a fully operational thermite cannon, stopping food poisoning with a new laser, and attending the world's first fully electric race car series. PD&D has reported on some pretty crazy do-it-yourself engineering projects over the years, such as this railgun that fires at 27,000 joules. Or this fully automatic snowball machine gun. And who could forget this turkey incinerating flame-throwing drone? Well, now it's time to bring you the next crazy do-it-yourself project from British plumber turned inventor Colin Furze. The YouTube sensation recently uploaded a video of his latest creation, a steampunk-style thermite launcher.
Say what now?
That's right. Furze created a series of videos to detail how he manufactured the thermite cannon before releasing a video of him testing it out. In his first video, he explains how to produce the thermite by combining iron oxide and aluminum powder. Furze then loads the mixture into a metal container and inserts a strip of magnesium to act as a fuse. In the second video, the do-it-yourselfer explains how he uses a steel bar to act as the cannon's frame and a top-mounted barrel to hold the loaded canisters. He then uses an old fire extinguisher to launch said cannons and a torch to light the fuse. With the use of some heavy machinery, power tools, and welding, the finished launcher looks like a steampunk-style minigun. In Furze's third video, he fires a few thermite capsules into a garage before firing the cannon at a can of gasoline, which of course sets off a huge explosion. And if this wasn't insane enough, he ends the video by firing a thermite canister at a box of fireworks. Talk about going out with a bang.
If you're anything like me, Chinese takeout may linger in your fridge for weeks at a time. Unfortunately, this type of behavior creates breeding grounds for dangerous bacteria and foodborne illnesses. To prevent any potential food poisoning incidents, researchers at the Korea Advanced Institutes of Science and Technology have developed a microbe detecting laser. The device is able to detect the movement of bacteria on last week's dinner, all without ever touching the food itself. The team's paper reads, by simply measuring dynamic speckle intensity patterns reflected from samples and analyzing the temporal correlation time, the presence of living microorganisms can be non-invasively detected with high sensitivity. Yeah, by simply doing that. So the team put this theory to the test by contaminating a couple of chicken breasts, one with E. coli and another with Bacillus cereus. They discovered that their laser technique managed to detect both types of contamination. However, it was still unable to differentiate between the two. Just imagine the number of lives this technology could save each year. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, around 48 million people are affected by foodborne illnesses every year. And of those people, 128,000 are hospitalized and 3,000 die. If packaged into a scanner, the lasers could be used in manufacturing, restaurants, grocery stores, and even in your own home. Hopefully one day all men and women can take a bite out of their leftover takeout without worrying about receiving a side of E. coli with it.
Last week, PD&D's editorial content director Janine Mooney flew down to sunny Long Beach, California to broadcast live from the Andretti Formula E paddock prior to the Formula E race on April 2nd. The FIA Single-Seater Championship is the world's first fully electric car racing series designed to help promote electric cars and to serve as a research and development platform to test the technology. This year, Formula E is an open championship, meaning teams and manufacturers have the chance to showcase their own electrical energy innovations, such as improved powertrains and battery technology. The 2015 to 2016 season started in October of last year and is scheduled to end in early July, with a total of 11 races taking place in 10 different cities. 9 teams are participating this season with 2 drivers each, and each driver will have 2 cars with 200 kilowatts available for the 50-minute races. On April 1st, Janine sat down with the series' first full-time female driver, Simona De Silvestro, as well as 7 other industry experts to discuss how Formula E's innovative solutions can be applied to the broader market, including communication devices, the Internet of Things, military and commercial aerospace, and automobile platforms. You can find the full on-demand version of the interview in the comment section.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Kaylee Duffy, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.
Say what now?